Hello children, how are you? Today we will do class 8, chapter 9, algebraic expressions and identities, exercise 9.2, question 1. Okay, and the question is multiply the following monomials. We are given monomials, each part is given 2 monomials and we have to multiply and find the product. How to multiply? First I want to tell you. Multiply means we are multiplying. Here the 2 monomials are 4 and 7p. So it is 4 multiply 7p. As you know, we will multiply numerical values. So it is 4 7s are 28 and this variable will come here. So the answer is 28p. It is very easy. We see next part. It is minus 4p multiply by 7p. Numerical value we multiply by this numerical value. So minus 4 multiply 7 is minus 28. And p multiply p. You know what is p multiply p? If we have p multiply p, it is p square. So we have minus 28 p square. Next is minus 4p multiply by 7p cube. Again numerical values will be multiplied. So minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. Now we see the variables. P multiply p is p power 2, p square, and q will remain as q. So the answer is minus 28 p square q. Next part we will see it is 4p cube multiply minus 3p. Okay. 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. P power 3 and p. You know the rules of exponents. Powers will be added because they are in multiply. So answer will come p power 3 and 1, 4. So it is minus 12 p 4. Next is 4p multiply 0. Any number when we multiply by 0, answer is 0. So this way our question number 1 is solved. Now if we see question number 2, here the length and the breadth of rectangle are given in monomials and we have to find the area. So here first part p and q, that means this is length and this is breadth. So we write down here the length is p and the breadth is q. And we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. That means length is here p, breadth is here q. So the area is pq. P multiply q is pq. Now see next, here the length is 10 meter. Sorry, it is 10 m, not meter. Units are not given. It is a monomial expression 10m, and the breadth is 5n. So we find out area, which is L multiply B, that means length multiply breadth, that is 10m multiply 5n. 10 into 5 is 50 and m into n is mn. So answer is 50 mn, right? Here this is length and this is breadth. You can write down this is our length and this is our breadth. So the area is L multiply B, that means 20x square multiply 5y square. 20 into 5 we multiply, that means it is 100, and x square and y square will come along this. So answer is 100x square y square. Again this is length and this is breadth. So the area is L into B. It is 4x multiply 3x square. 4 into 3 is 12. X into x square. Both same variables, powers will be added. So it will come 2 and 1, 3, x cube. So the answer is 12x cube. Again this is length and this is breadth. So the area is L multiply B, that is 3mn multiply 4np. 4 and 3, 12. M is alone, so it will remain m. N and n, 1 and 1 power 2 and p is only p. So the answer is 12 mn square p. So this way we have to find the area we have calculated and find out the area. Question number 3, sorry, this is question number basically 4. It is the dimensions of a cuboid are given and we have to find their volume. You know that volume means length into breadth into height. And here length is given 5a, breadth is given 3a square and the height is given 7a power 4. And the volume of cuboid is, if you remember the formula, it is length multiply breadth multiply height, L into B into H. And here the length is 5a, multiply by breadth 3a square, multiply the height 7a power 4. We multiply numerical values, 5 3s are 15 and 15 7s are 105. Now we see the variables. All are having variable a with power 1, power 2, power 4. So using the rules of exponents, these powers will be added. So it means it is 4 into 6, 6 and 1, 7. So it is a power 7. So the volume of this cuboid having these dimensions is 105 a power 7. See the second part, this is our length, this is our breadth and this is our height. So the volume is L into B into H, that is 2P multiply 4Q multiply 8R. We multiply 4 2s are 8 and 8 8s are 64. And PQR remain PQR only. So the volume is here 64 PQR. See the third part, this is our length, breadth and height. So the volume is L into B into H, that means xy 2x square y and multiply 2xy square. So here the numerical value is 1, so 1 into 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Now we will count x. Here we have power 1 and power 2, total becomes power 3 and 1 power is here, so it becomes x power 4. And y, total it becomes y power 2 and again 2, so it becomes y power 4 also. So the volume is 4x4 y4, right? See, this is no power, that means it is 1 there. So 1 and 2, total is 3, 3 and 1, 4. 1 and 1, 2, 2 and 2 power, total power 4. Now see next, this is again L, B, H and the volume is L into B into H, that is A multiply 2B multiply 3C and it will become 2 3s are 6 and A, B, C. So they will be remain like this, A, B and C. So this way we have solved, find out the volume whose dimensions are given. Now we see question number 5, find the product of the following. That means we have to multiply xy, yz and zx, right? X we have here and here, both have power 1. So 1 and 1 power 2, so x is x power 2. Y also we have here and here, they both have power 1 and 1, so total becomes y power 2. Similarly z into z, z power 2. So the product of xy, yz and zx is x square, y square, z square. Okay. Next is multiply a minus a square and a cube. See, one term is minus, so the answer will come in minus. That is here. Now, all variables are a, but they have different powers. So powers will be added. So it is 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 1, 6. So the answer is minus a power 6. We have to multiply these four monomials. So it will be 2 multiply 4y multiply 8y square and multiply 16y cube. Multiply the numerical values. 4 2s are 8, right? And 8 8s are 64. Now we multiply 64 by 16, so we will get 64 multiplied by 16, so we will get 1024. Correct? And this is y power 1 and y power 2, so total become y power 3, and y power 3, so total become y power 6. 3 and 3 6. So this is the product, right? Very easy. Now we multiply this, that means a multiplied by 2b multiplied by 3c multiplied by 6a b c. So first multiply the numerical values. 1 into 2 2, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 6 36. Now this is a and this is a. A and a becomes a square. This is b and this is b. B and b become b square, and c and c become c square. So the answer is 36 a square b square c square. And the last is we multiply m by minus mn multiplied by m and p. Answer will come in minus. No numerical value, that means it is minus 1, or you can write down simply minus also. M and m square, and m cube. N and n square, and only one p is there, so it is p. So the answer is minus m cube, n square and p. I hope all of you understood this exercise, and if you like my video, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.